Hello, this is Dragonicfire, and
Skeleton Sphinx.
welcome you back to more fan play of Little Big Planet 2 after I fucked up a recording.
Which I hope I'm not unplugged.
No, fuck you. If you want to play, you play with me. You play by my rules.
You better not slap me. He slapped me, kick him. You were kicked.
Hold on, I didn't give a warning.
No.
Unless you want to hand me my thing.
Slapping. Slapping. I can't hand it. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, I'll stop. What the heck?
I can't type at all.
No.
Fucking keyboard, make sure it's plugged in. Sorry viewers, we're having some technical difficulties. Okay, oops. Apparently you started something, Skeleton Sphinx. He pointed at you. It's like, you started it. Oh, here's my costume.
How did I start something? I was just jumping.
They have a thing against... Look at my costume I made.
Who the heck are you supposed to be?
Vincent, with a gun.
Oh.
Oh, let's do Haunted Attic 2. Haunted Attic, Skeleton Sphinx.
What is it? I can't even read. I saw your videos. No shit, Sherlock Holmes.
I saw their videos too.
They probably like you because you make fun of them. If you actually praise them, they probably wouldn't like you. They're probably like, oh fuck that guy, he's just like the other guy.
House of Aquarium.
This is an aquarium. I want that TV. Sold on eBay. Come on, help me. Get this TV. This better not be like that other level where we went to in like some fucking...
It looks like it. What's he saying?
I play this. This was bullshit. How do you win? How do you win? Push shit on there. I'm 14. What the heck is this? You know, I don't really give a shit how old you viewers are. Just easy with the slapping, unless it's against me. What do we do? I don't know who's who now. I think he just talked. The hell do we do?
I don't know. What?
Oh, what are we supposed to do? I'm lost. What do we do?
What do we do?
I don't know who's who. I'm fucking confused. Which one are you?
The one
running
that's
around?
Yeah.
You should put like a peacock feather on you or something.
Give me a wing.
Give you a wing?
Yeah.
What's it say?
I don't know.
Fire will come. Fire will come. You know what? Because everyone asked for it. Cool shades. Actually.
I don't know, that kid's going crazy or something.
You go crazy too.
I go crazy.
This is the silent episode. How do I fucking...
Cool shades.
Oh, there I go. Yeah, cool shades. Cool shades. I'm part of the cool shades.
Probably put cool shades on me.
Hold on. Tell him to put cool shades.
There, yeah. Ugh. Fire will come.
Daylight come and we bomb the home. Everyone gets cool shades.
I look like an old man with my shades.
Everyone's part of the cool shades club.
Mine looks like old man glasses.
You are old man.
Okay, this is getting really stupid.
Come, fire, come. No, we have to come over here.
Dealer, come on.
Shit! I have to return to the pod.
Dealer, come in, we all bum.
Fuck that. Fuck that level. That takes too long. Damn it. Bounce pad survival too.
What?
Shark survival. Fuck. Yeah.
Do you like?
Then we do total wipeout next. He's probably like, you had to wait, guy. Oh, I have patience. Son of a bitch! One at a time in the background, please. It sounds like a fucking gerbil army coming after us. I'm recording.
Put your...
He wanted me to put...
Well, if he wants me to put my mic in, that's
No, you're gonna commentate.
fine. I
Come on, let's go.
don't wanna... Let's go!
Can't tell who's... Let's go. Fuck.
Holy shit.
Yeah, bitches! No! I live! No! Which one? Is that you? Is that
No,
him?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Nope, I died.
I died. No, I'm still alive.
No, remember you have cool shades?
Oh.
Nope, he's fucked. He's fucked. Oh, assassin style. Did you train him?
Probably. What the heck?
Said fuck you. Sorry, HK, I already got maximum people in here. Do you want a second wing?
No, I probably will switch my costume.
Don't tell. I was gonna say, don't. Cool shades. You should save that costume. Ezio Auditore. It's when Ezio's retired.
Go hip, man.
What the freak is that?
Go hip.
Let's go. A part of the Cool Shades clan. Let's go. What the freak? Let's go. Go. He's Cole McGrath. Yeah, Cool Shades helps me float. But one kid's going freaking crazy. Is that you? Go, Skeleton Sphinx! Or not.
I tried. Hip didn't work.
Use your assassin skills.
But I'm a hippie now. I gotta be one with the peace, man. Actually, I'm gonna switch. I don't like being a hippie.
Well, when you switch, I gotta type something to a guy. We're only gonna...
I'm going to do around 3 episodes.
I like how you got quiet. He's like... Skeleton Sphinx, and then afterwards me and Skeleton Sphinx are going to do tank battles. Where we blow the shit out and get gypped on by the computer. I think this is the last attempt on this level. This level's bullshit sometimes. I don't know why everyone goes fucking crazy. Fucking flipping sharks. Fucking... I don't know why the shit I got killed by. I think that's Game of the Year. Go Game of the Year! No! Bastard. Who won? I am the Mega Slapper. Skeleton Sphinx just looked at me weird.
Somebody left.
Nope. And we'll be right back for the next episode. This is Dragonicfire
Skeleton Sphinx.
and other people. Signing off. Have a good day.